Hello, good morning. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Quote of the day is face the fear and it will disappear. What does that mean? That means if you are afraid of anything, afraid of taking a positive step, don't be. Put your preconceived notions aside. For example, I know I had some students who were really, you know, they really were nervous about calculus. But the thing is, I told them that you have to take the first step. You have to take the first step by diving into calculus with open mind, no preconceived notions, and just give it a try. How can you say that you don't want to do something and you don't even try it? So my message to all students is that when it comes to a difficult problem, when it comes to a subject and you're hesitant of learning that subject, don't be. You must not be afraid of trying. So that's what my message is. Keep trying, keep trying. All right. So the problem today we're going to discuss is probability and statistics. Um, Roll two dices and observe the outcome. When I say dices, I'm sure that you played Monopoly when you were a child, or you played a game called Ludo, where you basically have dices. You throw the dices, and each dice has six numbers. So what we want to do is we want to observe the outcome of those two dices from the eyes of probability and statistics. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and draw a chart right here. So you have, let's say you have X, then I put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when you have two dices and you throw them, if you're playing Monopoly or Ludo, and you can get two sixes also. Okay. So the sum of those two sixes is 12. So that's what I mean. So let me go ahead and draw a chart like this. So basically what I have is a table of possible combinations when you roll two dices. Okay. So these are all the possible combinations which we are going to take a look at it. And purpose of this course is to give you an idea, basically about the probability and statistics. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line right here. So for example, probability, this big X represents the outcome. Okay. And then this small x is right here. Okay. So when you roll the dice, what is the probability that you will get two? Dice number one, you can get one. Dice number two, you can get one. That's it. I can't think of any other combination. Can you? So then the probability is 1 over 36. Why 36? Because each dice has six numbers. So we're rolling two dice. So 6 times 6 is 36. So 36 is the highest probability. All right. What are the chances that you roll dice and you can get three? Well, on one dice you can get one, second dice you can get two, all right? And then on the second dice you can get one, and first dice you can get two. So there are two combinations. So 2 over 36. What are the chances you can get four? Well, you can get one on one dice, three on the other dice, right? That's one combination. Then you can get three on the second dice and one on the first dice, and then you can get two on each of the dice. So there are three combinations. All right. So similarly, with the same thought, same train of thought, if you do 5, you get 4 over 36. Okay. Let's see. 5 is 4 over 36. 6 is going to be 5 over 36. 7 is going to be 6 different combinations. 8, 7 over 36. 9 is 8 over 36. 10 is 9 over 36. 11 is 10 over 36. 12 is 11 over 36. So if you roll the dice, okay, if you roll the dice, there, in order to get 12, there are the probability is 11 over 36. Okay. So when you're rolling a dice, when you're rolling two dice, the highest probability is that you can get total combination 12 from two dice is 11 over 36. Another thing is that if you want the sum, right, sum of all these probabilities, that would be 36 over 36, which is 1. Okay. So this is, always remember, sum of all the outcomes, sum of each and every outcome is always going to be 1. That is when you say probability is 100%, you're certain that it's going to happen. Okay. That's 1. That probability is 1. All right. Let's see. If you look at the number 5, how many combinations you can think in your mind when you roll two dice that you will get 5? Well, first combination I can think of is on dice 1 you can get 1, dice 2 you can get 4. Okay. Let's see, we're looking at the number 5. Okay. So then I can say 2, 3. Okay. And then I can say 4, 1, 3, 2. So you have 4 chances. This 1, 4 combination, 2, 3 combination, 4, 1 combination, 3, 2 combination. So you have 4 combinations. So the probability is 4 over 36. All right, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to learn math, science, engineering, follow me. Check out my collections. There are hundreds and hundreds of lessons and they are free for you. And my last thing before I take off is that always respect other people. Okay. People who work for you, especially, don't look down on them. Treat them with dignity. Treat them with respect. That was my message. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.